full potential, we have to work together. He needs tinkling upwards in his native tongue. For 4,000 years, the language of this place and of the Cornish mining industry was Cernunnog. That's what he needs. Corbin, Arans, in Pub Carrick, Corbin, Arans, and Greta Sandon. That'll do it. Come on. Corbin, Arans. In Pub Carrick, Corbin, Arans.